So what is up, everybody? New year 2026, we made it. But check it out. We have a new project we're revealing today, and it is our house. We bought a modular home here in the Cove, and I think Jess is super excited because she was up at 6:30 this morning. We just closed on it yesterday. She was up at 6:30 and she was over here working on this, already tearing the floor up. So let's see the progress that she's already made. She's gonna be in charge of the floors.
To be fair, I didn't want to be awake at 6:30, but you know, that's what work does to you when you're on a consistent routine. Thank you.
What she said. So yeah, we have a dumpster coming, but we don't know where it's gonna be here because this is New Year's Day. So I'm hoping it's gonna be here probably tomorrow, so we can start dumping all this stuff. We have a whole bunch of stuff here that was left behind as far as like some tables and chairs and that kind of stuff. So we got that we gotta rip out. We have all this here we need to rip out. And we're gonna be getting rid of all these cabinets. The stove, actually we're gonna keep because we're gonna be working towards trying to build on an addition outside for a garage. So we can be able to work on our vehicles and store them out there. Without disturbing anybody. So we are working towards that, but we did find some cabinets and stuff that we like. It's from a local builder materials supply place here. That's a discount place. So we're gonna hit that up, but take a look. Let's take a look at some of the progress. So the reason we're tearing the floor up is, as you can see, there's some water damage. And at one point this roof leaked. It does have a new roof, but this has some subfloor damage that we need to go replace or repair. So we're gonna rip this floor up and we're gonna repatch all this with some new subflooring and fix all that. So this is gonna be one of the boys' rooms. For right now, they're gonna share, but this is our bathroom. Actually, this is their bathroom. There's two bathrooms, 2 bed, 2 bath. But we plan on doing an addition out here. And we plan on building out and building a garage in that area. So hopefully we have a little bit more space. Here is the living area. Now Jess already said that she wants to do some built-ins here. So I'm gonna have to learn how to do a built-in setup here so that we can have the TV kind of segregated inside the built-in. She wants a fireplace here and then some bookshelves on the side so she can put all of her knickknacks and decorations. Of course, the kitchen, all this is going, and we're gonna be replacing with the newer style, but we're gonna do away with this, like, what do you call this? Like this piece, this little, is this an island?
Ish.
Okay, anyways, we're doing away with this. We're gonna get rid of that, and we're gonna put a actual island on the other side. So it's gonna be like 2 counters next to each other, but we're gonna put an island. We're gonna relocate the sink to the island, move the dishwasher to the island, which that dishwasher's going. We're gonna do all stainless steel. She already found the fridge she wants, so she's gonna pretty much match everything to that.
Which I'm super excited about that.
So lots to do here, but for the most part, actually, it's got good guts to start working on. And just because we have to do the bedroom flooring, we figured it's just gonna be better for us to just rip all this up and just redo all the flooring. That way we can take a look at all the subflooring here and make sure everything's good. Which you can see here, they kind of just laid on top of the original linoleum that was right here. So we're gonna rip all that out and do it the right way. As we come back here, this will be the laundry area. And we're gonna we already have our stackable washer dryer that will go right here that we kind of fell in love with. So that's gonna go here. But what we're gonna do here is we're gonna rip these cabinets out and we're gonna put a singular cabinet right above here. And I'm gonna build or even buy like one of those wooden dog crates so that we have like a cage for Stella. And then we're gonna build on top of that a table for her to have like a little laundry area so that she can kind of fold clothes and do some other stuff. But then also the cabinet will have all the detergents and all that stuff for laundry stuff. So I think that's gonna turn out really well. This is our room. And basically we're not doing too much in here. We're gonna fix some of the floor over here where it was clearly leaking from the roof. So we're gonna repair all this, which you can see is pretty bad. So fix all this. We should just have to be able to take this piece out here, cut a new one in, pop it in there, and start laying new flooring. So I think that's pretty much all we have to do in here, which is pretty cool. So this here is our closet. We're gonna get rid of this. That's where our water heater is. We're gonna leave that kind of enclosed for right now since we're not having any issues with it. And she wants to do some sort of modular closet system inside here. So we're gonna start working towards that and start trying to figure out what she wants to put in here. And we're gonna get all these holes patched up, get it all cleaned up, get it repainted, fresh paint, everything, get all this cleaned up here, as you can see. This here is the bathroom. Let me climb over all this. And so, bathroom, yeah. Tub needs to be redone. We're thinking about trying to find a different tub, something a little bit bigger, a little bit deeper. Maybe comes out a little bit. But we did do a measurement from this piece here all the way over, and we can do exactly 60 inches. So 60-inch sink where we can do a double sink in here. We're going to get rid of this cabinet, put a little bit nicer cabinet, because all these cabinets are from, like, I'm pretty sure 2003. So none of them are, hey, I'm sorry, like, I got to have a little bit of luxury in this. So the cabinets are pretty shot. So we're going to replace that. And then also along the way, if you guys follow along, we are going to be doing a whole bunch of smart home improvements and increasing and adding some stuff in here. So we're gonna be putting some stuff where, like, we got the electric door lock coming, and that door lock, we're gonna put one here and one at the back door. And basically that's an Apple HomeKit lock that we basically put in place, and we can create keys for everybody digitally on their iPhones, which is super cool because we can control who's coming and going, as well as we can share keys and do different things. So we got that. We got some Wi-Fi stuff we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be running Cat 5 all through the house. We're gonna put access points up everywhere. We're gonna make this pretty much a smart home. And as we start working on some of the stuff out here, which let's go take a step out here. So out here, we plan on doing a full, it's gonna be like a lean-to enclosure. Basically start all the way down there, and we're gonna go all the way down here. But right here, we're gonna stop it. And we want to enclose all this here, because what we want to do is we want to do away with this. We want to open this up a little bit into the living room area, and we want to put like a door right about here, flip these, not these stairs, but build another set of stairs that turns sideways, put the door about here, and then we want to put about a 10-foot door right here for a garage so that we can pull our cars in. Well, for me to pull my cars in so we can work on them and do stuff. But it's mostly for our channel. Like we don't sell anything, we don't do anything. We just want to work personally on our cars, and we want a nice dry area to be able to do that. So this will be kind of enclosed all the way back, and we can turn this into a decent little shop. And I'm going to try to get the approval to go a little bit higher, where we kind of slants up a little bit, so we can put a small lift in here personally and that kind of stuff. So super excited. We got lots of things to do. Our lease ends up in October at our old place, so we're going to stick around there as we start working on this, get this all taken care of. And as we get this taken care of and start building out, then we'll start moving stuff over, and we start getting everything kind of staged out. And hopefully by the end of, I'm thinking August, we can have everything done here. Hopefully at least the enclosure somewhat built here, so we can move the cars and stuff over, as well as some of the enclosure some of the remodel done. We're working right now to try to get the cabinets and everything, the flooring in the cabinets, and get the paint and everything all done, so I can start working on the built-ins and some of the small stuff inside there. Get all that done and updated, and get us to a point that we can start really focusing on the outside here and get that ready, because I don't want to be working on it in the summertime. I'm going to be trying to do a lot of my own work, but this whole fence is going. I'm going to put on Facebook. You guys know anybody that wants a free shed, you guys can have it. You guys just have to come pick it up without please destroying my yard. Not that it's going to matter this here. This is all getting cleaned up. We have a whole bunch of stuff back there that they left that we're going to be cleaning up. Roof leaks, has holes, not in the best shape, but it's free to whoever wants it. So we'll be posting that on Facebook if you guys follow us in the local area and you guys want to come pick it up. So when you find Jessica working on something and motivated, she actually works on something.
But at that point, I was like, well,
we got plenty of time to work on this. Trust me. Yeah, with how fast you're going with this, yeah, I'm pretty good. We don't have too much to get the flooring done, and then we just gotta go with some plywood so we can fix the subflooring. So yeah.
You know what? I figured I was awake. Might as well not waste my day.
Oh, I'm not wasting it. I'm here by 9:30 working on stuff, but it doesn't mean you can't relax and enjoy a little bit of time. So
I did. I spent a half hour scrolling social media, and then by then I was like, okay, let's get up.
Which, if you guys don't know, follow her. She's at Chasing Sunsets 2023, but I'll put it on the screen right here.
Because I don't know what it is.
And a little tidbit. See that right there? That little itty bitty thing on top of our power box? That's Starlink. That's our Mini. So we're actually running our Mini right now on the standby service because they released a thing where you can do, let me set this real quick. They released a thing where you can do standby and it's like $5 a month. So you keep your service active and everything, but it's pretty cool because it actually has data that flows through it. And for what I've been seeing on some of the stuff, we're gonna test it out. It actually works pretty good for some decent stuff. So I figure if it works pretty good for right now, $5 a month for internet, our actual fiber gets installed. Like I said, we're bringing this to the 21st century. We're putting fiber in here. But once that comes out I think it's the 16th, we have a schedule for them to come out and do that. We're gonna get that all hooked up and start working on our whole network here. And we're gonna be running Cat 7 all the way through the house and doing all that kind of stuff. So where I'm gonna help her out, we're gonna get started. We're gonna start getting all these cabinets and everything all torn down, get the rest of this baseboard and everything, all this trim and everything out, get this little makeshift island thing out, and go from there. Okay, so it's the next day. Dumpster has arrived. We are actually in the process of getting all the stuff that we pulled out. So as you can see, we get the flooring. We've got some of this stuff already taken out. Got a few more cabinets. We're gonna break this down because we ordered a small one. I thought it was gonna be big enough, but as you guys can see, it does not look like it's gonna be enough because we still have all this we gotta clean up back here. So we're gonna break down the cabinets a little bit and get it put in there. And yeah, finish getting the rest of this flooring all ripped up, get it thrown in there so we can call the dumpster out of here, haul it out, and start getting everything cleaned up. We're gonna start working on getting the walls mudded the proper way, seaming it. I know they don't typically seam the walls in a trailer because the shifting and everything when they go move, but we are gonna be working on puttying all that up so it looks nice, seaming it all nice, sand it all down. I don't know what we're gonna do about the texture yet. We might actually try to sand it down and try to make it a lot smoother because it wasn't done very well to begin with. And we really don't like the texture look. So once we get that all done, then I'm gonna work on the subflooring, get that all finished up, and then we're pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. So the rest of the video is gonna be some time lapse. Please stick around till the end. It really does help the channel. If you guys are interested too, make sure you guys follow us, follow Jessica. Here's her link down below. She's gonna have some of that stuff on TikTok as far as some shorts, as far as us working on this and going from there. So, and then plus, we always like some ideas, so let us know what you guys think. Peace.
Start something new. We feel the expectation, a new day waiting. Sky full of light breaking through. We feel our hearts exploding, our story unfolding. chase the morning sun. Here and now, we've only just begun. There's a world of endless color waiting for us to discover. Running to the open wide where dreamers come alive. We can see a new horizon. We can feel it